A is for Aquaman, B is for Batman, Batwing, Batmobile, Batcop, the Batdog, and Bane. C is for Clayface, Catwoman, Captain America. D is for Daredevil. E is for Electro, F is for Flash, G for Green Lantern, H is for Hulk, I is for Iron Man, J is for Joker, K is for Killer Croc and Crypto, L is for Lex Luthor, M is for Magneto, N is for Nick Fury, O as in Doc Ock, P as in Penguin, Q as in quite possibly the best Batmobile ever, R is for Robin and Riddler, S is for Superman and Spider-Man, T is for Thor, U as in best Batmobile in the universe, V is for Venom, W is for Wonder Woman, X for X-Men, Y as in yeah, that's an awesome Batmobile, Z as in Zod, as in General Zod. Now you know your ABC, you can go get the bad guys.